Before installation, first, remove the battery. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the saddle. Remove the motor hull and speedline connectors.
Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws and remove the motor phase wires. Cut off the securing cable tie.
Use a 6mm Allen wrench to remove the kickstand. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the rear brake.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench to remove the rear wheel. First, press the cable inward, then remove the rear wheel outward.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the fender.
Install the track. Battery bar. Rear shock absorber installation. Battery bar installation through axle. Cable tie.
2 5mm Allen wrenches and 1 4mm Allen wrench.
Adjustable wrench. Note: the GT54 track shock absorber is installed in the second mounting hole.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Install, as demonstrated in the video.
Use a 4mm Allen wrench to install the battery bar.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to install and adjust the brake. Squeeze the rear brake lever tightly to align the brake caliper properly, then tighten the brake caliper mounting bolts. Use a 6mm Allen wrench to install the kickstand. Organize and secure the wires and cables with cable ties.
Connect to the motor hull connector and the speed wire connector. Match the cable colors with the mounting hole colors, then tighten the screws. Install the battery to test if the track wheel is functioning properly.
Install the saddle and tighten the screws alternately.
Use a 4mm Allen wrench and an 8mm Allen wrench to remove the front wheel. Install the sledge. Use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to remove the front fork decorative cover.
Use 8mm and 5mm Allen wrenches to tighten the screws.
Use a 5mm Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench to tighten the screws alternately.